To create a table, you have to use table tag, and here for table row, I have already used fifth row for this table. First row, second row, third row, fourth row, and fifth row. And first row is used for table heading, company, contract name, and country name. And just let's look up the table, the company, contract name, and key, country name. Column, second column, and third column. Okay. And I have also declared a style for this table where table data and table heading border for one pixel white, border style solid and color text align left. Okay, if you want to save this, just and center. Purpose as for saving and training is 8 pixel. Go to browser or press the text will be centered. Let's thanks for